fencing. Tony would say it's my driving. All right, let's go see if we can get this fence up to keep the deer out of the bird feed. All right, we love feeding the birds, but the deer have been just annihilating the bird feeders once they found them. We had about 4 or 5 days before they found the feeders, but once they did, they literally wiped them clean of all the feed. They knocked a bunch on the ground, which the birds did get. It was still snowy, so they did get some, but we're going to keep them completely out of it now. We're going to see how this fencing works. So Tony's going to put up some goat panel. We love watching our birds, and we don't want to feed all of our bird seed to the deer. We had to come up with a solution. It is cold out here, so it's snowing right now. And is it like 19 degrees out here?
Today, yeah, it's low 20s, high teens. And tonight it's supposed to be single digits, if not below zero.
But the thing is that the wind is blowing very hard today, so the wind chill factor is very strong. So we're probably feeling it like 10 degrees. We're flying our flag. Tomorrow is inauguration day. Whoop, whoop. Tony's nose is red, y'all. Look, his face is, the wind's already getting. We have only been out here for, well, not even that long, I don't think. 15 maybe. We took some trash down and took a couple Christmas tree decorations down at the gate.
Before they froze to the fence.
Yeah.
Again.
And that literally took like 10 minutes. And then we went and got this stuff. So yeah, 15 or 20 minutes, and my face is so cold. Everything else on me is warm, but my face is super cold. Feels like my cheeks are freezing. We don't normally get like this cold of temperatures for very long in Indiana, southern Indiana. This is unusually cold. No, he's trying to get it far away enough where they can't reach over with their little necks, because they will.
And size it according to the piece of metal I grabbed.
The deer have annihilated other things around here. Our domestic trees that we've planted, they eat them off every year, all the leaves. The bird feeders they've gotten for the past couple of years, this is the first time we've put up a fence. We'll take it down in the spring once winter's over. It's just a temporary fence, so.
Yeah, because we don't feed the birds during the spring.
No. Once things start blooming out and the insects come back out, we don't feed the birds anymore. Looks good.
Can't afford to feed
We're getting there.
everything in the
How are we going to get in there to put the bird feed in?
I'm going to leave words last.
Okay, can we go ahead and fill them up before you do that?
That's fine.
I'm going to go get the bird feed. I'll be right back.
Oh, that bucket right there has...
It's not very much. I just checked it.
Oh, okay.
It's
Sorry.
light.
They both work. All right, she's on again.
Oh, look! I did it too. I tried to shoot it easily.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know, but I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know, but I will guide you home.
Now we gotta get the birds. All right, here's our lovely little bird feeder hut. We do have a video where Tony made the feeder hut. Very nice. And then here's our quick little goat panel fence. And Tony just
That
put up.
hut really keeps the rain and snow off of the feeders so they don't get all goopy.
Yep, it works nice. Plus it looks good. It's, you know, makes like a little nice area for the birds to congregate, and we can watch them from the windows.
Yep.
All right, well, let's see if it keeps the deer out, and we'll see if the birds come here when we leave. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay warm.
Eddie out.